Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are doing great and really welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the video, welcome back to the lecture. I'm back with you guys with another lecture. It's currently the final discussion of circumference and area of a circle, so let's start. And if you're new, don't forget to press the bell icon and get a notification by each and every video. If you have any question or additional message, you can comment in next video. I'll go through that as soon as possible. So, number of revolutions when rotates along a straight line. So, in a circle of radius r rolls along a straight line without slipping, the distance covered by the center of the circle depends on the number of revolutions made. So circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. If the circle makes n complete revolutions, distance covered equals to n multiplied by 2 pi r, that equals to n multiplied by c, because 2 pi r is the formula of circumference. So results, distance covered is equal to circumference multiplied by number of revolutions, and total distance covered divided by circumference is equal to number of revolutions. So circle rolling around another bigger circle. So radius of small circle is equals to small r, radius of bigger circle is equals to bigger r. When a smaller circle rolls externally around a bigger fixed circle without slipping, the number of rotations made by the smaller circle is not simply the rotation ratio of circumference. So the number of rotations is equals to circumference of big circle divided by circumference of small circle plus 1. So 2 pi r bigger r divided by 2 pi r smaller 1 plus 1. That so 2 pi is going to be deducted and capital R minus smaller r plus 1 is going to be left. So 30-second challenge. So if radius of small circle A is 1 and bigger circle B is 3, how many times will circle A rotate around circle B to make complete one revolution around big circle? So circumference of circle A is equals to 2 pi r is equals to 2 pi and in r 1, so 2 pi. Circumference of circle B is equals to 2 pi r, so in pi, in r value we're going to have 2 pi 3, so that equals to 6 pi, so as 6 pi and divided by 2 pi is equals to 3. So smaller circle A will make 3 plus 1 4 revolutions to complete one round the larger circle B. This is a classic problem known as the coin rotation paradox. Okay. So a circle is cut into 16 equal parts and then rearranged as shown in the figure. Which one of the following statement is false? So x is equals to half a circumference of circle. No. X is actually the half a circumference. Okay, yeah. Y is equals to radius of circle. Yes, is. And y is equals to circumference of circle. No, y is not a circumference of circle because y is the radius of circle. Area of circle is equals to base multiplied by height multiplied by x multiplied by y. That's true. So the only C1 is the false one. So look at the figure given below and take the statements which are true about it. Diameter of circle A is 20 centimeter. Yes. Circle A has bigger area than circle B. No. Both circles have same area. Yes. And circle B has bigger area than circle A. No. So find area of shaded region. So here 2.2 is the radius. So here circle is equal to pi r squared. Area of circle is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 2.2 square. So 4.684 is the square, and you have to multiply it. We're going to get 15.1976. Shaded area is equal to area of circle divided by 2. So 15.1976 divided by 2 is going to give 7.59698 centimeter square. That's the area of shaded region. So now again area of shaded region. Here 7 centimeter is radius. So area of circle is equal to pi r squared. So 7 centimeter squared is 49. So 7 divided by 1400 is equals to 154. We're going to get it as an answer. Shaded area is equals to 3 and area of circle divided by 4, that equals to 3 multiplied by 154 divided by 4, that equals to 115.5 centimeter square. We took 3 here because it's a 1/3 part. Okay, that's why. So find the area of the following. So composite figure consists of a rectangle and 2 quarter circles. So length of rectangle is 4 centimeter and width is 3 centimeters. So whereas the radius of each quadrant is 4/2, that equals 2 centimeters. Radius circle is equals to pi r square. Area of circle is equal to 3.14 and 2 square. So when you have 4 raised to 2 square, so 12.56. Okay. So area of quadrant equals to area of circle divided by 4. So 12.56 divided by 4, 3.14 centimeters square. So area of two quadrants 3.14 multiplied by 2, 6.28 centimeter square. Area of rectangle is equal to remember width. Area of rectangle goes to 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Area of rectangle is 12 centimeter square. So area of whole figure is equal to 12 centimeter square plus 6.28 centimeter square. That is equal to 18.28 centimeter square. That is the final answer. And then finding circumference when area is given. So if the area of circle is 38.5 centimeter, find the circumference. So for defining the circumference in this type of questions like is area of circle equal to pi r square, so 38.5 centimeter square is equals to 22 over 7 and r square, so 38.5 38.5 centimeter square divided by 22 over 7 equals to r square. So KFCF method, and 1.75 into 7 after the simplification is equals to r square. 1.75.7 is equals to r square, and then we have to take the square root. Sorry, we are going to have the simplification, and 12.25 is equals to r square. Then the square root signs are going to be deducted, so r is equals to 3.5 centimeter after in the square root, and second part equals to 2 pi r, so 2 multiplied by 24/7, 3.7 centimeter, and 2 into 22 over 7, the 22 centimeters is the answer. And if circumference of circle is equals to 44 meter, and pi is equals to 22 over 7, find diameter and radius. So as c is equals to pi d, so 44 meter is equals to 22 over 7 multiplied by d. So 44 meter divided by 22 over 7 is equals to d. So KCF method, after that 2 meter multiplied by 7 is equals to d. So d is equals to 14 meters. So radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. So radius is equals to 14 meter divided by 2 is equals to 7 meter. Area of circle is equals to pi r squared. So area of circle is equals to 22 over 7 multiplied by 7 square, and area of circle is equals to 22 over 7 multiplied by 49. That gives you 154 centimeter square. Okay. Find the shaded area if the both semicircles are congruent. So length of diameters of same semicircles is equals to 28 centimeter divided by 2, that is equals to 14 centimeter. Area of circle is equals to pi r square. Area of circle is equals to 22 over 7 and 7 square, so 49, and then simplification, and 154 centimeter. Area of one semicircle is equals to 154 centimeter square divided by 2, that is equals to 77 centimeter square. So shaded area is equals to area of two semicircles, that is equals to 77 centimeter square plus 77 centimeter square, that is equals to 154 centimeter square. Then we are having the area of each of the following shapes here. Shape compromises of two geometrical shapes, rectangle and semicircle. So area of rectangle equals to diameter over width, so you can simply multiply 10 with 7, you're going to get 70 centimeter square. And area of circle is equals to pi r square, so 24 7 multiplied by 3.5 and square, so 12.25 deduction, and then 22 multiplied by 1.75 centimeter square, so 38.5 centimeter square. So area of semicircle is equals to 38.5 centimeter square divided by 2, so 19.25 centimeter square. Area of whole figure, not 19.25 plus 70, then 89.25 centimeter square is the answer. So I hope you also like today's class. See you in the class. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.